Hello, welcome back. Let's read more Tesla. Have to continue. I'll never get finished. Let's start to read about all the Tesla electric cars. So just start the first one, the Roadster. Then I will cook some hot foods, eat and go to bed, watch YouTube. I did find the Tesla YouTube channel, so I have the Tesla YouTube channel now, but that's not so many videos there. No, that's not so many video about the cars on the Tesla main channel.
Tesla Roadster, first generation. Tesla Roadster Sport 2.5 overview. Manufacturer Tesla Motors, also called Darkstar, code name 1. Production 2008-2012. Assembly England, Hethel, Lotus. United States, Menlo Park, California. Body and chassis glass two-seater, 2, /sports car, S3, 4. Body style 2-door roadster layout. Rear mid-motor, rear-wheel driver-related Lotus Elise. Opel Speedster. Powertrain electric motor, 3-phase 4-pole ace induction motor, 1.5. 248 HP, 185 kilowatts, 200 pound-foot, 270 Nm. 2.0, 2.5, 288 HP, 215 kilowatts, 280 pound-foot, 380 Nm. 2.5 Sport, 288 HP, 215 kilowatts, 295 pound-foot, 400 Nm. The Tesla Roadster is a battery electric vehicle sports car based on the Lotus Elise chassis, produced by Tesla Motors, now Tesla, Inc., from 2008 to 2012. The Roadster was the first highway legal, serial production, all-electric car to use lithium-ion battery cells, and the first production all-electric car to travel more than 244 miles, 393 kilometers, per charge. 7. It is also the first production car towed launched into deep space, carried by a Falcon Heavy rocket in a test flight on February 6, 2018. Tesla sold about 2,450 Roadsters in over 30 countries, 8, 9, 10, and most of the last Roadsters were sold in Europe and Asia during the fourth quarter of 2012. 11. Tesla produced right-hand drive Roadsters from early 2010. 12. The Roadster qualified for government incentives in several nations. 13, 14. According to the US EPA, the Roadster can travel 244 miles, 393 kilometers, on a single charge of its lithium-ion battery pack. 15. The vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in 3.7 or 3.9 seconds depending on the model. It has a top speed of 125 miles per hour, 201 kilometers per hour. The Roadster's efficiency, as of September 2008, was reported as 120 miles per gallon gasoline equivalent, 28 kWh/100 mi, 2.0 L/100 km. It uses 21.7 kWh/100 mi, 135 Wh/km, battery to wheel, and has an efficiency of 88% on average. 16. History. Prototypes of the car were officially revealed to the public on the 19th of July, 2006, in Santa Monica, California, at a 350-person invitation-only event held in Barker Hangar at Santa Monica Airport. 17. It was featured in Time in December 2006 as the recipient of the magazine's Best Inventions 2006 Transportation Invention Award. 18. The first Tesla Roadster was delivered in February 2008 to Tesla co-founder, chairman and product architect Elon Musk. The company produced 500 similar vehicles through June 2009. In July 2009, Tesla began production of its 2010 model year Roadster, the first major product upgrade. 19. Simultaneously, Tesla began producing the Roadster Sport, the first derivative of Tesla's proprietary transmission 1-speed Borg-Warner 8.271 ratio, battery 53 kWh lithium-ion electric range 244 mi, 393 km, EPA, plug-in charging 16.8 kW 110 240 onboard charger for 17006, using proprietary connector dimensions wheelbase 92.6 in, 2,352 mm, length 155.4 in, 3,946 mm, width 73.7 in, 1,873 mm, height 44.4 in, 1,127 mm, curb weight 2,877 pound, 1,305 kilograms. Chronology successor Tesla Roadster, second generation. Patented powertrain. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour, in 3.7 seconds, compared to 3.9 seconds for standard Roadster. Changes for the 2010 model year cars included sad Smiley 20, an upgraded interior and push-button gear selector, including executive interior with exposed carbon fiber and premium leather, and clear-coat carbon fiber body accents. Locking, push-button glove box wrapped in leather. A centrally mounted video display screen to monitor real-time data, including estimated range, power regenerated, and the number of barrels of oil saved. Manually adjustable shock absorber response and anti-sway bars. More powerful and immediate heating, ventilation and air conditioning. More efficient motor and hand-wound stator delivering higher peak power. Sound deadening measures to reduce noise, vibration and harshness. All of these features, except for the motor, were available either as standard or as add-on option for the non-sport model. Beginning mid-March 2010, Tesla, in an effort to show off the practicality of its electric cars, sent one of its Roadsters around the world. Starting at the Geneva International Motor Show, the Roadster completed its journey upon its arrival in Paris on the 28th of September, 2010. 21. In July 2010, Tesla introduced the Roadster 2.5 update including sad Smiley 22, new front fascia with diffusing vents and rear diffuser. Directional forged wheels available in both silver and black. New seats with larger, more supportive bolsters and a new lumbar support system. Power control hardware that enables better performance in exceptionally hot climates. An optional 7 touchscreen display with backup camera. Improved interior sound reduction including new front fender liner material. Tesla Roadster, France. Tesla produced the Roadster until January 2012, when its supply of gliders ran out, as its contract with Lotus Cars for 2,500 gliders expired at the end of 2011. 9, 23, 24, 25. Tesla stopped taking orders for the Roadster in the US market in August 2011. 26, 27, featuring new options and enhanced components. The 2012 Tesla Roadster was sold in limited numbers only in Europe, Asia, and Australia. Tesla's US exemption for not having advanced air, two-stage passenger airbags expired for cars made after the end of 2011, so the last Roadsters could not be sold in the American market. 28, 29, 15 final edition Roadsters were produced to close the manufacturing cycle of Tesla's first electric car. 30, for a time, Tesla offered an optional upgrade to existing Roadsters, the Roadster 3.0. It offered a new battery pack with cells from LG Chemistry. 31, increasing capacity by 50% to 70 kWh, a new aero kit designed to reduce drag, and new tires with lower rolling resistance. 32, 33, the upgrade was offered between September 2015, 34, and late 2016 at a cost of US $29,000, equivalent to $35,361 in 2022. 35, in November 2023, Tesla open-sourced some of the Roadster's design and engineering documents, as well as diagnostic software. 36, 37, development. The SRO concept EV that inspired Tesla's founders after Martin Eberhard sold Nuvo Media to TV Guide. He wanted a sports car, but could not find one to his liking. His battery experience with the Rocket e-book inspired him to develop an electric car. 38. During his search, Eberhard test drove the SRO, a concept car from small automaker AC Propulsion. Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who had also driven the SRO, tried to convince the company to put the car into production. But when they declined, they decided to establish Tesla Motors in Delaware on July 1, 2003, to pursue the idea commercially. 39. South African-born entrepreneur Elon Musk would also test drive a SRO and encouraged AC Propulsion to put the car into production. Instead, the company connected Musk with Eberhard and Tarpenning. Musk took an active role within the company starting in 2004, including investing US $7.5 million, $10.5 million in 2021, overseeing Roadster product design from the beginning, and greatly expanding Tesla's long-term strategic sales goals by using the sports car to fund the development of mainstream vehicles. 40, 41. Musk became a Tesla's chairman of the board in April 2004 and helped recruit J.B. Strobel as chief technology officer in March 2004. 42. Musk received the Global Green 2006 Product Design Award for the design of the Tesla Roadster, presented by Mikhail Gorbachev. 43, and he received the 2007 Index Design Award for the design of the Tesla Roadster. 44. Before Tesla had developed the Roadster's proprietary powertrain, they borrowed a SRO for use as a development mule and converted the vehicle from lead-acid AGM batteries to lithium-ion cells, which substantially increased the range, reduced weight, and boosted 0 to 60 miles per hour performance. Tesla licensed ACC Propulsion's EV power system design and reductive charging patent, which covers integration of the charging electronics with the inverter, thus reducing mass, complexity, and cost. Tesla, however, was dissatisfied with how the motor and transmission worked in the chassis. 45. Tesla then designed and built its own power electronics, motor, and other drivetrain components that incorporated this licensed technology from AC Propulsion. 46, 47, 48. Given the extensive redevelopment of the vehicle, Tesla Motors no longer licenses any proprietary technology from AC Propulsion. The Roadster's powertrain is unique. 49. External image icon. Tesla Roadster and Lotus Elise image icon. Black Roadster and Grey Elise. On the 11th of July, 2005, Tesla and British sports car maker Lotus entered an agreement about products and services based on the Lotus Elise, where Lotus provided advice on designing and developing a vehicle as well as producing partly assembled vehicles. 50, and amended in 2009. 51, helped with basic chassis development. The Roadster has a parts overlap of roughly 6%.